Yeah, I can rock the shuttles or the Space Jam. Bitch, I'm rocking Gucci, you know.
Guys, it's your boy O back with another video. This is a recent pickups video. I'm gonna show y'all my recent cops. Let y'all know what I think about them. Let y'all check them out. First up, y'all see the 350 box. So y'all should already guess it. One pickup was the Yeezy Boost 350s clay colorway. Very nice shoe. I really like them. I wasn't feeling them at first, but after seeing them in person, they're way better in person, man. I kind of like the all over design, like, you know, all kinds of different patterns. This, you got this going this way, that going that way, yada yada. Nice clean Boost. Got like a peach color on the back. Very nice shoe. One thing I recently noticed about these, see-through right there. That's pretty dope. Show your socks off, whatever. I must say, with this shoe right here, I feel like it brought the hype back to the 350s. Cause y'all know the hype was kind of simmering a little bit with the past few releases, but when these came out, sold out instantly, first day with the quickness. I was lucky enough to score a pair on Adidas.com. I say I seen the resale value for different sizes as high as a little over 500 bucks. I'd say the low would be around 360. I've seen 370, somewhere around that range, depending on your size. Smaller sizes did very well with these, but yeah, that's those. The Yeezy Clay. First pickup. Second pickup still in the box. Just came today. So, yep, my first time seeing them. It's gonna be you guys' first time seeing them. Recent Nike release. Box out the way. The Air Max 2s. My first pair of Air Max 2s. My first time seeing them in person. Wow. Straight fire as expected. Man, way better in person, guys. Wow, nice material as well. I don't know what this material is, but definitely I thought it was like a leather shoe. It has a leather toe box, but this material is something different. Almost like a nylon type of material. Then it has like a clear plastic overlay design. Man, Nike Air all over, Nike signs all over. Comes with 2 extra lace choices. It's like the purple. This looks like almost like a crimson color. Got like this, I don't know what to call that, bolt looking color. Each shoe has a different pattern on it. So mismatch, craziness. I'm hoping to cop the hat to match these next. These are crazy, man. And I must say, heavily slept on. Why anybody would sleep on these? Man, I don't know. Because these are straight fire. I've actually seen resale as high as 800 before they came out. But then it went all the way down to dang near retail. So yeah, don't know why these were slept on, but I'm glad I copped a pair. Definitely rocking these. Probably tomorrow. Third pickup isn't a pair of kicks. Something from New York. That'll give y'all a hint. Bam, y'all see the preem bag. Supreme team. Let me show y'all what we got real quick. Heather Gray Cupid tee. Size large, my size. So that's the newest cop. I looked up on Supreme. Copped it manually, ain't gotta pay no resale. Wow, they hit me with this super large sticker that says, "Who the bleep is Supreme?" Very dope, very dope. Sticker sealed off again, like last time, so I can't see what the second sticker is. But, y'all know, the normal sticker, whatever Supreme, there's another small sticker behind it. I'll see what it is later. But yeah, looked up on this. They sold out in seconds. I just hopped on there. I really wanted the black, but I just grabbed whatever color it landed on. But yeah, y'all, thanks for checking out my video of my newest pickups. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. I will have more videos showing y'all all the heat I cop whenever I get lucky. I'm out.